Hi and welcome to another interesting lesson on this channel. In today's class I'll be walking you through on how to make these simple circle skirts. So stay to the end of this video in order not to miss out on any step. This is our material. We are folding it into two first. After that we'll be folding it again this way. So we have it folded into two first. This place is on fold, this place is on fold, here is on double fold. You can see it. So what we are marking there is 30 inches, which is the length of our skirt plus our radius. Length is 25, our radius is 5 inches. So we are marking 30 inches all round. Our length is 25, our radius is 5 inches. So this is our radius 5 inches. The length of the skirt is 25. So when you add this together, you will be having 30 inches. That is what I've marked all around. So for the radius, we are marking 5 inches here. This is at the waist area. This place will be serving as our waist area. We'll be working with our hip measurement here because we'll be using an elastic at the waist area. Hip 32 divided by 4, we have 8 inches. So that's what we have there, 8 inches. Because we'll be using an elastic. You can see the radius is 5 inches. And in order to get your radius, your circumference divided by 6.28. Whatever is the circumference, for me here is the hip circumference. We are dividing it with 6.28. That is how we got 5 inches. So we'll cut it out. So we are done cutting, and this is what we are having here. This is our circle skirt. We didn't add any sewing allowance to this, so we will not be opening it. That circle place is our waist area. So we'll proceed to attaching our band. This is the band we'll be working with, 4 inches, and this is the elastic. We'll be folding our band this way and insert our elastic, and you will have a nice skirt. So the band is actually on fold. So this is it. I have done attaching the band, inserting the elastic, and this is what we are having, looking beautiful. This is it. This is our circle skirt. This is it on the manicure. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.